English, you can ask your Siri to turn on the flashlight or to turn on the torch. Camping and cycling. Backpack, or we can say rucksack. Campsite. Sleeping bag. To pitch a tent. A tent. Tent peg. This is tent peg. Tent peg. Tent pole. This part is the tent pole. Guy line or guy rope. This is guy line, guy rope. Ground sheet. To build a fire, campfire. Camping stove. Airbed. This is the pump. Air mattress. Folding chair. This is a folding chair. Folding table. This is a folding table. Toilet block. In a building, there are a lot of toilets for a lot of people to use. So this is a toilet block. Shower block. In public, there is a public place for some people, for a lot of people to take a shower. Look at this man, he's trying to take a shower. And look at this woman, she's trying to use the bathroom, I think, use the toilet. Flashlight, or we can say torch. Speaking of flashlight and torch, you can ask your iPhone. If your Siri is in English, you can ask your Siri to turn on the flashlight or to turn on the torch. Both of them are functional. Waterproofs, or you can say raincoat. Barbecue, we always see BBQ. Barbecue. Hot drink container, or we can say flask. Walking boots. Insect repellent. Caravan. Motorhome, or camper van. Cycling. Gear. Brakes. Cycling helmet. Mountain bike. Bicycle or bike. We have a saddle, frame, handlebar, chain. This is the chain. Pedal. Racing bike. Cycling trails. Unicycle. Cycle pump. Tandem. Lock. Reflector. Pay attention to this picture. A lot of students, they don't understand what is reflector. I don't see reflector on my bike. Actually, it's here. It's on your pedal. Reflector, it means when the light during the night, especially during the night, when the light is shining on your bike, the reflector can reflect the light back. So reflector, it's keeping your bicycle or you safe. Tire. Bike rack. Basket. Bicycle lane. To get on a bike. To get off a bike. To fix a puncture. Pothole.